Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Decided to go to Monster Burger today. And I decided to splurge a little, and I got these sweet potato fries, which I don't normally get. I think sweet potato fries are underrated awesome. I mean, if you don't like sweet potatoes, it's not, you know, a moot point. But there they are. Man, they're delicious. I can't stop eating them. It comes with a fry sauce, but I think it's like a mayonnaise something combo. I'm not really sure what's all in there. It's no red mill sauce by any means. I've still dipped my regular fries in it. It wasn't bad. Oop. Got a bonus fry at the bottom of the bag. Alright. I went with the barbecue burger today. I thought I'd mix it up a little bit. See, the first time having their barbecue burger. There she is. You can get all that in a shot. I got mine with no lettuce. Give this sucker a try. Alright, so here's a close-up. Cheese, pickle, barbecue sauce, and I got the onion straws, they call them. So, and of course the sweet potato fries. Alright, just kind of wrapping up the burger. I ended up pulling the onion strings off because they sort of turned into this like onion. They had like no crisp at all. I mean, onion straws typically have crisp on them. So maybe I'll turn the camera down and show you. All right. So these are the supposed onion straws. And there's like no crisp in it, but they also have this like, they look like green peppers. I didn't say it on the menu, which is kind of concerning, because if you were allergic, I mean, that's a good way to get sick. So, food for thought. Yeah, I ended up just taking them off. So the burger was pretty decent. I should have stuck with my regular go-to, which is the bacon cheeseburger. I thought I'd mix it up, but I don't think I'd get it again. The sweet potato fries, though, these are money. Really good. So, I seem to have gotten the attention of mall security, because I'm parked all the way out here in the back of the lot. So, he's probably wondering what the hell I'm doing here. Well, that was funny. She, not only was she security, but she works for the same company that I do. So she's like, are you going to be here very much longer? They don't want you parking there. And I'm like, well, there are parking spaces, but yeah, I'm almost out of here. I told her who I was, told her what I did. Anyway, I guess that concludes this week's. I can't believe security stopped me. That's funny. Anyway, as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and if you're ever in Federal Way, check out Monster Burger. Don't get the barbecue one though. Not as good. Sweet potato fries are good though. Alright. Well, there'll be a playlist linked below if you missed any other episodes, you want to check them out. And as always, we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.